Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to walk through the setup of a Titan pump with an electric inverter conversion kit. This is a single component setup. Right here we've got our Titan pump equipped with the electric inverter conversion kit. You'll find the main on-off switch conveniently located on top of the motor. Next, let's go over the main components. This is your main pump valve. Here you'll see the recirculating valve, and this knob right here is your pressure control. Pro tip, keep your pressure lower. It prevents compression lock and allows time for the grout to permeate properly. Moving on to the output side, this is your output filter. Be sure to clean this periodically to maintain optimal performance. The Titan pump comes standard with a 50-foot output hose. In this setup, it's connected to a needle valve assembly for precise output control. Next, we have the button top assembly, which includes the on-off valve and the button top itself. This connects directly to the button head installed on top of your injection pipe. And that's it. Your Titan pump with electric inverter setup is ready to go. Simple, efficient, and built for performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.